Alarmed disc locks like these make a lot of noise, but do thieves really care? Now that they're using angle grinders to steal motorbikes, what they really care about is how long it takes them to get in and out rather than how much noise they make. So today we're going to pit a standard moto alarmed disc lock against our new anti-angle grinder lock, the MD1000. Let's get into it. Safety first. So as you can see, we got through the alarm disc lock in seconds and rolled the bike away. The MD1000, we went through 5 discs, huge amount of hammer attack, made a lot of noise, and the bike is still here safe and sound.